Hello everyone and welcome back to our Posworx training. Today I'm going to show you on how to create a roster on Posworx. On the home screen, click on roster, see roster screen, select the drop down to select the store you would like to create the roster for. I'm going to select head office, select period to view roster from, to select the days. Your options below, new schedule, click on new schedule to schedule in a staff. Enter in the user ID number. Select the days you would like to roster in the staff. Break in minutes, I'm going to change that to a 30-minute lunch break. Select on the start date by clicking on the calendar. The start time, 8 a.m. Click on the calendar for the end date, and the end time is 5 p.m. Click on create, and as you see, I have successfully created the staff to be rostered in. Select on the shift. You can edit the shift by decreasing the hours. You can select on the shift by increasing the hours. You can delete this shift from the roster for the staff, or you can move this shift to another day. You can save these changes by clicking on save. A message will appear, changes have been saved. Click OK. You can press on clear to clear this roster. You can click on print to print this roster. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.